How to restore purchases in Asphalt 8. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to restore your purchases in Asphalt 8 after reinstalling the game or switching to a new device, you are in the right place. First of all, launch the Asphalt 8 on your device and wait for the game to load completely. Once you're inside this main lobby screen, also make sure that you're signed into your account. Make sure to sign in with the account that you originally used to make your purchase, and once you do that, go ahead and tap on the settings icon from the lobby screen at the top right corner. After you are inside the settings menu, click on Restore My Purchases from the top right. Give them a few moments to verify your purchase history and restore any eligible content. Once the process is completed, you can return to the main menu and verify that your purchased items or features have been restored. If nothing is restored, then try restarting the game and confirm you are using the correct account. So that's how you easily restore purchases in Asphalt 8. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.